Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be burning used and unused masks to see if there's any difference on how they would burn. So let's begin the experiment. So here we can observe that the used mask caught fire whereas the unused mask was just melting.
Yo, what's the point of this video?
Well, that's a good question. We've just seen that the used mask was burning because it had something flammable in it. This also means that the mask is not only protecting us from the virus but also protecting us from the flammable substances present in the air.
I see. But do you think anyone's gonna watch your video?
Well, that's a good question again. What do you mean? Yes, they're going to watch it. So now you must be wondering who that guy is who's popping on your screen repeatedly. He's Mr. Ghost who thinks he knows everything. He thinks that my channel will have no subscribers, no views. Please prove him wrong, guys.
Haha, if this video gets at least 5,000 views and this channel gets 1,000 subscribers, I'll do 100 push-ups. See, that's how confident I am that my channel will not be successful. Now stop this and go study.
Studies that during quarantine? Guys, you know the drill. All you have to do is subscribe and share this video. Please prove him wrong. And hopefully I'll see you all in the next video. Take care.